Hello students, today in this lecture we will solve problem of lines inclined to both the reference plane. You must know projections of points basic with respect to HP and VP when position is given, where we will get front view and top view of point. If you are recalling, point is above HP, front view where above XY line, point is below HP, front view where below XY line. If point is in the HP, front view on XY line. Three conditions with respect to HP. Three conditions with respect to VP. So with respect to VP, when condition is given, position is given, it is visible in top view. Any point is located in front of VP, top view where below XY line. Point is located behind VP, top view where above XY line will get. And if point is located in VP, then top view on XY line. That means three conditions with respect to HP, three conditions with respect to VP. This one in detail I explain how we will get this position above below in my very first lecture. Next जो है that is what line inclined to both the planes. So finally what will get solution means final front view and final top view. How will get उसका जो बेसिक है each and everything in detail I explain in my lecture number 2. From that one I written here कि whenever you know true length and theta means what? Inclination with horizontal plane. If you know true length and theta, इसको अगर प्रोजेक्ट करते तो प्लान लेंथ मिलता है and plan length if will rotate will get what? Top view. In some problems maybe directly top view is given, rotate करो what will get PL and then will project it, so you can easily find out true length and theta, maybe in this way or reverse, right? When your true length and phi is known, project करो what will get EL. Elevation length means front view length, will rotate it, what will get front view. In some problem directly data given for front view of line, तो क्या करेंगे, front view will draw, रोटेट करेंगे, एलिवेशन लेंथ मिलेगा, प्रोजेक्ट करो व्हाट विल गेट ट्रू लेंथ एंड फाई. ओके, दिस वन आई एक्सप्लेन इन सेकंड लेक्चर. ठीक है, लेक्चर नंबर 2. अगर नहीं देखा है तो गो थ्रू इट सो दैट लाइंस चैप्टर बिकम्स वेरी इजी, राइट? नाउ विल सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी आस्क इन December 22 फॉर 15 मार्क्स. अभी डेटा यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई केयरफुली, राइट? व्हाट डेटा इज गिवन? वन एंड P ऑफ लाइन PQ. अभी नेम ऑफ लाइन इज व्हाट? PQ. उसका वन एंड जो है इज ऑन HP. पॉइंट इज ऑन HP मीन्स फ्रंट व्यू वेयर ऑन XY लाइन. P dash with dash whenever will represent small letter with dash means what? Front view of point. Where it is in HP, point is on HP means front view where on XY line. Front view on XY line. Number 1. 25 mm in front of VP. पॉइंट अगर इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP रहता है तो टॉप व्यू आता है बिलो XY लाइन. दैट मीन्स टॉप व्यू ऑफ एंड P, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस? 25 mm इन फ्रंट ऑफ VP है मीन्स वेयर बिलो XY. while other end Q is on VP, point is located on VP, top view where will get? टॉप व्यू आता है ऑन XY लाइन. टॉप व्यू ऑन XY लाइन. पॉइंट Q इज इन VP and 50 mm below HP. पॉइंट इज लोकेटेड बिलो HP. तो फ्रंट व्यू का इंफॉर्मेशन है. वेयर फ्रंट व्यू वेयर हाउ मच डिस्टेंस? 50 mm. तो दिस वन इज व्हाट? 50 mm below XY. 1 2 3 4 4 locations are given, 4 data are given. Draw the projection of line PQ and find its inclination with HP and VP if true length of line is 70 mm. True length is given how much? 70 mm. What you have to find out? Inclinations with HP and VP means what? Theta and phi. ये आपका आंसर में आना चाहिए, right? Now I am drawing here. It is without scale. So while watching this video, in sketchbook to the scale you try to draw. If you try to draw to the scale in sketchbook, what will get? Theta and phi easily possible. Okay, chalo. Now what data is given? First one, ये जो है पोजीशन ऑफ वन एंड इज गिवन, जैसा हियर पोजीशन इज गिवन, पोजीशन ऑफ एंड P. First we'll start from this one. Any problem is given, first step is what? We'll locate front view and top view of its end. P dash where? On XY. That means I will represent here what? Front view, P dash. Top view where? 25 mm, right? Say this is my 25 mm. What will get here? Top view. This distance how much? 25 mm below XY line. Okay. That means two data we have used. अभी Q dash जो है is where? Below XY line. How much distance? 50 mm. देखो Q dash 50 mm is given. Directly position of Q dash is not possible. You will get what? Locus line, right? जैसा Q dash is given 50 mm below XY. That means on that locus line we will get Q dash as well as Q1 dash both. Therefore, below XY line, I will take what distance? 50 mm and I will draw here one line. Distance जो है I have taken how much? As per given data, I have taken how much? 50 mm. What is the name of this line? Locus line. But locus of what? Locus of Q dash, right? And Q is on XY line. अभी Q अगर XY line पे है, that means ये जो XY line है, this also represents what? Locus. किसका locus? Q. Locus of Q means locus of end Q in top view. Locus of Q dash means what? Locus of end Q in front view. Okay. Now this data we use, right? ये लिया है. This one also we have taken. ये आपका second step हुआ. Now we'll represent what? TL. अभी true length in front view and top view easily you can represent. Reason is what? Locus of both Q dash and Q are known, and location of point P dash and P is also known. From this P, I'll draw horizontal line where later on we'll add what? Plan length on horizontal line from P. Elevation length will represent on horizontal line from P dash. Okay. Now see here. First one, true length will take in compass. If we take true length in compass 70 mm and in front view if you want to represent, means line you have to draw from P dash up to locus of end Q in front view means locus of Q dash. Take true length in compass 70 mm and draw one arc of this true length, cutting this locus of Q dash. Name of point is what? Q1 dash. You have to recollect names of all the line. True length in front view A dash B1 dash. Line PQ है तो P dash Q1 dash. So we will join these 2 points. This point is what? Q1 dash. You have drawn one arc of what radius? True length 70 mm. That means this length is known. TL 70 you have taken. True length you are represented means easily what will get? Your first answer, that is what? Theta. Draw it to the scale. Find out what angle theta. किधर है? ये angle मिल गया, right? First answer. Next जो है true length in top view if you want to represent, always will represent line from top view of one of its end, that means from P, and either locus of Q2M is Q2 point will get here, a locus of Q है. Again true length will take in compass P as a center, will draw arc on locus of end Q in top view. Name of point is what? Q2. Join point P to Q2. This one true length you know. What will find out here? Angle phi. ये angle phi, right? अभी line जो है, it is not in first quadrant, therefore you are getting crossing, right? True length are crossing. Normally it doesn't happen if it is in first quadrant, right? अभी first quadrant में नहीं है, because एक end आपका HP पे है, in front of VP है, दूसरा जो है end अदर end in VP है and क्यू किधर है, इन वीपी एंड बिलो एचपी है, मीन्स फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं है, राइट, किधर गया, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में गया, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में गया, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. नाउ सी हियर, true length theta phi is known. Next step is what? If you know true length and theta, project it, what will get, plan length. Either a true length in front view, right? Project it. Up to what will project it? ये क्या? Project, right? Will project it. अभी which length will get here? True length and theta is known. Project it, plan length मिलता है. ये भी ध्यान में रहने के प्लान लेंथ वेयर विल रिप्रेजेंट, तो ऑन हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन पासिंग थ्रू टॉप व्यू ऑफ एंड, दैट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट, नेम ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज व्हाट, Q1. ये जो लेंथ मिला है, दिस लेंथ इज व्हाट, प्लान लेंथ. ये आ गया प्लान लेंथ. वेरी गुड. PL को रोटेट करेंगे तो टॉप व्यू मिलना चाहिए, दिस PL विल रोटेट. किधर रोटेट करेंगे, तो एंड क्यू का लोकस ये है एक्स वाला लाइन, दैट मीन्स रोटेट प्लान लेंथ अबाउट पॉइंट P अप टू लोकस ऑफ Q. नाउ व्हाट पॉइंट यू आर गेटिंग इज पॉइंट Q एंड विल ज्वाइन पॉइंट P टू Q. ये लेंथ है आपका प्लान लेंथ. प्लान लेंथ मीन्स व्हाट, टॉप व्यू लेंथ. That means which view will get here, top view, and this angle is what, inclination of top view. क्या represent करते हैं, बीटा से. All you are getting this one? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? देखो, true length incline at theta is known. Project करो, PL मिला, rotate करो, top view. अभी next step easy है. Easy means what? You know, जैसा P dash and P lies on same vertical line, ऐसा Q and Q dash also lies on same vertical line. Q तो पता है, and locus of Q dash is known. That means what we'll do? Draw vertical projector from Q up to locus of Q dash. Now what point we are getting is what? यहाँ का आपका end Q, right? Q dash, front view है ना, Q dash. Join point P dash to Q dash, right? P dash to Q dash, to what will get, ये angle beta I will write here, okay? हाँ, तो P dash से ये आया है Q dash. This is which view? Front view. Front view is inclined at what angle? This angle is what? Angle alpha. Clear? See here, again I will repeat. Started from where? P dash and P. ये हो गया number 1. Then locus line, both distances are given. एक तो x वाला line है, this one. Next step important. True length in compass, P dash at center, draw arc on locus of Q dash. तो आपको true length इधर was known, उसका angle मिल गया theta, right? Same true length in compass, P at center, draw arc here, what will get? Angle phi. दोनों आंसर मिल गए theta phi. Next जो है, from this true length incline at an angle of theta, project करो, what will get? Plan length. Plan length rotate किया, क्या मिल गया? Top view. Now Q is known, तो Q and Q dash lies on same vertical line. That means this point on locus of Q dash is what? Q dash. Join P dash to Q dash. What will get? Front view of line. This one clear? Okay. ये आपने अगर फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वीडियो देखा रहेगा ना, तो दिस विल बी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड, अदरवाइज इट बिकम्स स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट. ओके, बाय, थैंक यू.